All right, class. So today we're going to learn about the greatest common factor. Thank you guys for actually reporting down these vocabulary terms. I do want to go through them all first, just so we have like a conceptual understanding of what we need to know to actually get to finding the greatest common factor. Because that's our goal, the greatest common factor. First off, we have a factor. Can I have you volunteer to read off what a factor is? Yes.
Well, a number that is multiplied by another to yield a product.
So a number that is multiplied by another to yield a product. Thank you.
I will read the other one, but I can't see.
You can't see this? So it says a number that is multiplied by another to yield a product. So let me show you this. 3 times 3 is 9. In here, 3 and 3, these are both factors. Because when multiplied together, they give us a number here. Okay. So then a common factor. Milo, if you want to get closer, can you read this off for us?
Common factor of our number that is a factor of
Each number.
Yeah, each number is
A set.
a set of numbers.
Hey, thank you very much. So I'm just going to repeat that so we all have it in our minds. A common factor is a whole number that is a factor of each numbers in a set of numbers. So when I had 3 times 3 up here equals 9. So 3 is a factor of 9, as we can see. So a common factor is knowing that if I have 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is also 12, and 3 and 4 are factors of 12. A common factor is a whole number that is a factor of each number in a set of numbers. So 3 is a common factor with this 3 up here, because 3 is a common factor of 9 and 12. That's what it means to have a common factor. Okay? Do you have a question?
Yeah.
What's your question?
I'm a little confused. How is so basically is 3 times something over 9 equals 12. So like if you have 9 times 3,
So let me go back a little bit, okay? So let's take the number, for instance, let's go take the number 20, okay? Can I multiply the number 17 times another number to get 20? Another whole number? No. No, because 17 times anything is going to be way over 20, another whole number. So the only factors of 20 are numbers that you can multiply together, whole numbers that you can multiply together to get a product, which is the end goal of 20. You see what I say? So like, let's just list off all the factors of 9. So for 9, we have 9 times 1 equals 9. See these two numbers, a factor and a factor, multiplied together equal 9. We have 3 times 3 equal 9. So these factors multiplied together give us this number. Okay? So that's what factors are. There's actually, so now that we know that these are factors, we can find factors of all numbers. It takes a little bit of time, but there's different ways to get there. The common factor, which is here, is knowing that the number 3 you can multiply into 9, and you can multiply it into 12. With that being said, can you multiply 3 into the number 10?
Yeah.
How? 3 times what gives me 10?
Oh no.
See, because we need whole numbers multiplied together to give us a number and product. So 10 isn't, 3 is not a factor of 10.
Okay.
You can multiply 3 by another number, but it's a decimal, and we're not going to worry about that for now. But just know that 3 is a common factor between 9 and 10, but not, 3 is a common factor of 12 and 9, but not 10, okay?
Because you can multiply 3 times 7 to get 12 and 9?
Yes, you can multiply 3 times 4 to get 12, or 3 times 3 to get 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So now we know what a common factor is. We know what a factor is, we know what a common factor is. The greatest common factor is, a lot of times numbers share factors, but a lot of times we need to find the biggest number that they both share. The greatest one. So I'm just going to read this off for us. The greatest number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers. So I need to give you some context of why this is important for future, so that you're going to be tied in, okay? Hey Jamal, I need you to focus up here, okay, man? So I need you to tilt this. Focus in up here, okay?
Can I put a song?
I'm going to have you put one on after I'm done lecturing, okay? Alright. Hey Jamarian, I need you to focus up here, man, okay? Alright. So, why is this important for the future? So, in the future, you're going to see you're going to see like a really weird equation string. It's going to look something like this.